Another question that came in was, is there any scenario where we do recommend doing other types of integration, or are we just pub sub all the way?
I can take that one.
Yeah.
So I think my answer is significantly different than it would have been 5 or 6 years ago. So I think 5 or 6 years ago, a lot of this technology, specifically around the queuing and messaging, I'll say it wasn't nearly as robust, particularly before the real advent of these cloud providers. So Amazon, Azure, Google. And what I mean by that is there is a lot of machinery you have to stand up. You have to stand up your instance of RabbitMQ. You have to do all the configuration and the storage and get all of that set up. So for a more simple scenario, I would have been much more likely to be like, just do point to point and move on with your life. It'll be faster. If you need to change it in the future, you can invest the time and resources into that. But really with the cloud providers, and even beyond that, even just with a lot of the innovation in technology, the amount of effort it takes to get that stood up and be enterprise scalable has reduced significantly. And that's even a lot of, we leverage that internally to take that a step further. So we have our own products, specifically, the Compose platform, where we can get we can get a full hub and spoke model, the infrastructure stood up in about 5 minutes. And that was something that just wasn't possible 6 years ago. There just wasn't that level of sophistication or automation out there to enable us to do that. So, if you truly have just, one or two, maybe three systems, you don't plan on innovating or moving beyond that, point to point might be just fine. You can spin up Zapier in a really short amount of time and get something integrated and moving forward. But we really do strongly believe that if you are looking to build an ecosystem and you're looking to innovate from a software perspective, we think this is, the best way to enable and build an architecture that is flexible, scalable, and robust enough to grow with you and innovate with you.